Luxury cars have always been symbols of prestige, innovation, and exceptional performance. These vehicles combine state-of-the-art technology, cutting-edge design, and unparalleled comfort to offer a driving experience like no other. From the sleek lines and luxurious interiors to the powerful engines and intelligent systems, luxury cars are a perfect blend of form and function. In this article, we will explore the evolution, features, and future trends in the world of luxury automobiles. What defines a luxury car? A luxury car is more than just a vehicle. It represents an experience. Here are the key features that define luxury cars. Performance. Luxury cars are designed to provide outstanding performance. Whether it's a V8, V12, or electric powertrain, these cars are engineered for maximum power and efficiency. High-performance engines allow for quick acceleration and impressive top speeds, providing an exciting driving experience. Design and comfort. Luxury cars are known for their exceptional design. They feature sleek aerodynamic bodywork, stylish interiors, and luxurious materials such as handcrafted leather, polished wood, and carbon fiber. Inside, comfort is a priority, with features like adjustable seating, noise-canceling systems, and climate control to ensure a relaxing ride. Technology. Modern luxury cars are equipped with the latest technology to enhance both the driving experience and the passenger experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, self-parking systems, autonomous driving capabilities, and advanced infotainment systems are common in today's luxury cars. Customization. Luxury cars often offer personalized options to meet the specific tastes of their owners. From custom interiors to unique exterior finishes, manufacturers offer a wide range of bespoke customization options, allowing owners to create a vehicle that is uniquely theirs. Top luxury car brands. Several prestigious car brands are known for creating the most luxurious and high-performing cars in the world. These brands have set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is synonymous with luxury and sophistication. Models, like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and Cullinan, are known for their bespoke craftsmanship, powerful V12 engines, and timeless designs. Rolls-Royce vehicles are considered the epitome of elegance, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Bentley. Bentley combines opulent luxury with high performance. The Bentley Continental GT and Bentley Flying Spur are both renowned for their W12 engines, luxurious interiors, and classic British design. These cars offer a perfect balance of comfort and performance. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a world leader in luxury cars, known for models like the S-Class, which is packed with cutting-edge technology and offers an extremely smooth driving experience. The AMG GT combines performance with luxury, making it an iconic choice for sports car enthusiasts who crave both elegance and speed. BMW. BMW is another well-established luxury car brand, known for performance and innovation. The BMW 7 Series offers a world-class driving experience with advanced tech and luxury features. For those who seek a sportier edge, the BMW i8 is a futuristic hybrid that merges performance with eco-conscious engineering. Tesla. Tesla has revolutionized the electric vehicle market, bringing luxury and sustainability together. The Tesla Model S offers incredible performance, long-range capabilities, and cutting-edge features like autopilot and over-the-air software updates, all while maintaining a sleek, modern design. Tesla is leading the way in the luxury electric vehicle market. What makes luxury cars special? Luxury cars stand out because of the attention to detail and the focus on creating a world-class driving experience. Here are some of the aspects that make them special. 1. Exhilarating performance. Luxury cars are designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience. The Porsche 911 Turbo and Ferrari 488 GTB, for example, combine speed and performance with precision handling, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of the road. 2. High-quality interiors. Inside a luxury car, comfort and style are paramount. Interiors are filled with hand-stitched leather seats, real wood accents, advanced sound systems, and customizable lighting to create an ambiance of relaxation and luxury. 3. Advanced technology. Luxury vehicles are packed with advanced tech features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced infotainment systems. Some models even offer autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the car to drive itself in certain conditions. 4. Safety features. Luxury cars are equipped with the latest safety features, such as collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems are designed to protect both the occupants and others on the road, making luxury cars one of the safest vehicles available. The driving experience. Driving a luxury car is about more than just getting from one point to another. It's about experiencing the road in a whole new way. 1. Smooth handling. Luxury cars offer precise handling that makes every drive feel controlled and effortless. The adaptive suspension systems in many high-end cars allow the vehicle to adjust to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride on both rough streets and high-speed highways. 2. Quiet, comfortable ride. Many luxury cars are equipped with soundproofing technology to reduce external noise, making the cabin feel serene. This, combined with ergonomic seating and advanced climate control, ensures that every ride is smooth, quiet, and comfortable. 3. Instant acceleration. When you press the accelerator of a luxury car, you feel the immediate response of its powerful engine. Whether it's a Ferrari or a Tesla, these cars are engineered for instant torque and smooth acceleration, making them a joy to drive on any road. 4. Luxury and status. Driving a luxury car isn't just about the experience, it's also about the status it represents. Luxury cars are often seen as a symbol of success and achievement, allowing owners to feel a sense of pride every time they get behind the wheel. The future of luxury cars. As we move forward, the world of luxury cars will continue to evolve. Some key trends include electric luxury cars. With the growing concern for the environment, more luxury brands are shifting to electric powertrains. The Porsche Taycan and Tesla Model S show that electric cars can offer performance and luxury without sacrificing speed or power. Autonomous driving. Self-driving cars are becoming more advanced, and luxury brands are integrating autonomous features into their vehicles. Tesla's Autopilot and Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot are paving the way for fully autonomous vehicles that can drive themselves in certain conditions. Sustainability. As consumers become more eco-conscious, many luxury car brands are incorporating sustainable materials such as recycled fabrics and eco-friendly leathers. The focus is shifting toward green luxury, where high performance and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. AI integration. Artificial intelligence is set to play a larger role in the future of luxury cars, enabling features such as personalized driving experiences, automated driving adjustments, and real-time diagnostic checks to optimize performance. References: Mercedes-Benz, The Evolution of Luxury Cars; Rolls-Royce, The Art of Luxury; Tesla, Leading the Electric Revolution, Exploring the Legacy and Innovation of Luxury Cars.